If eggs are your only source of protein, what actually happens? Do they cause cholesterol to build up in your arteries and increase the chances of a heart attack or stroke? The truth is that absolutely does not happen, and I'll explain why. 6 major clinical studies have shown there is no connection between eating eggs and heart disease, and eggs don't damage your arteries if you're a healthy person. Whenever you come across a negative study about eggs, pay attention to one thing. They're always observational or questionnaire-based studies, and those just aren't reliable when it comes to real scientific research. When someone wants to push a certain outcome, whether there's a political angle or personal bias, instead of solid science, they use those studies to shape how people think and convince them that eggs are high in cholesterol. So you shouldn't eat more than 2, and eating more is harmful. Yet people keep asking whether they should eat eggs and how many are safe. The reality is, if eggs are your only protein option and you eat them daily, your health will actually improve, and that's what I'm going to break down in this video. Yes, eggs are high in cholesterol, that's true, but they also have lecithin, which acts like an antidote to cholesterol. Eggs contain choline, which works with bile salts to break down bad cholesterol, and choline is a powerful nutrient that protects you from fatty liver. In fact, if your body doesn't get enough choline, fatty liver becomes almost inevitable. Choline is also essential for brain health. Eggs are also rich in vitamin B3, and B3 helps reduce issues connected to high cholesterol in the body. After breast milk, eggs have one of the best nutrition profiles of any protein source. The biggest advantage is that the nutrients and amino acids in eggs are easy for your body to absorb, and the stuff your body doesn't need is there in very small amounts, meaning almost no waste and maximum benefit from what you eat. If you ranked protein sources, eggs would be number 1, meat would be number 2, dairy number 3, and plant-based protein would be last on the list, but eggs take the top spot. One egg has 7 grams of protein and nearly every essential nutrient. It's lower in vitamin C, sure, but it's loaded with B vitamins, vitamins A, D, E, K1, K2, and omega-3 fatty acids in solid amounts, making it a nutrient-packed superfood. Another impressive compound in eggs is sphingomyelin, which helps prevent plaque from forming in your arteries. Eggs also support your eyes because they contain 2 powerful nutrients called lutein and zeaxanthin that protect the macula and help preserve central vision. Now let's talk about egg whites versus yolks. A lot of people think all the protein is only in the white, but that's completely wrong. If you compare 100 grams of yolk to 100 grams of egg white, the yolk has 164 grams of protein while the white only has 108 grams, meaning by weight, the yolk actually has more protein. And beyond that, the yolk contains a ton of essential nutrients that help repair the body, and some of those nutrients help protect against a condition called sarcopenia, which is age-related muscle loss. Now let's get into drinking raw eggs, which is a common question in the comments. Eating raw eggs isn't the worst thing, but there is a problem. Raw eggs contain protease inhibitors, which block the enzyme your body needs to absorb protein. So when that enzyme gets blocked, your body can't access all the protein in the raw egg. On top of that, too many raw eggs can lead to biotin deficiency, but cooking the eggs neutralizes that problem, meaning it stops being an issue. So what's the best way to cook eggs for the most benefit? Soft cooked is ideal, where the yolk is still runny and the white is fully cooked. Scrambled eggs and hard-boiled eggs are also totally fine and still give you the nutrients. I don't want to go too deep into different cooking methods, but just remember that eggs are super healthy in every form, and if you want high-quality amino acids, nothing beats eggs. If you make eggs your main protein source, there are no health drawbacks at all. The only thing that might become an issue is boredom, meaning eating only eggs every day might get dull after a while, which is why people like to mix in other protein sources. But if you rely only on eggs, not only will your health improve, your digestion will get better too because most people digest eggs easily. So eggs aren't just a protein source, they're a complete package that can improve your health on every level. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, goodbye.